It's been another wonderful week of teaching and another wonderful week of learning. It's actually really amazing, but one of the benefits, one of the best benefits of teaching is that you actually learn more. And this week, I feel like I learned a lot more. I believe I learned a lot more about my students, how they communicate, how they operate, and their actual mindset, because their mindset is what's really important in order to actually get the work across to them. All right, so what did I do this week in teaching? I tutored standard 3 maths, my standard 3 maths class, and my standard 3 grammar and writing class. Grammar and writing was yesterday being Wednesday. I'm recording this on Thursdays, right? So we did nouns, and we were playing boy, girl, animal, place, and thing, because we're doing nouns. So we're going to play that every single week. We just did a few, but they have to get used to actually thinking of names. So we're going to play that every single week. I wrote out sentences, so we were looking at the difference between nouns and adjectives, and we had to read those sentences and circle our nouns, underline our adjectives. That's still in progress. So that work is actually printed for them already. I created everything, I printed it out, and we're going to continue that in class next week. And next week, we're going to write sentences. Writing sentences is important. Now, sometimes you might think, oh, I just need my kid to write a full story. If you're having problems with sentences, you don't want them writing a full story. Trust me, they're gonna have a problem with a full story. So getting them used to writing sentences, especially if you want to improve vocabulary, is a very good idea. Using new vocabulary to build sentences is awesome. So that's it. Maths with standard 3s, we were getting used to number values still and making sure we're comfortable with it. So knowing what words with tens of thousands looks like and how to say them, right? So if I give you the word, or if I give you a number that like 3,585, can you write it out? Okay. So that's where we're at with standard 3. Standard 4s, the legend started today, and we did maths. We did some number value recognition, because you're supposed to know up to 1,000,000. So we did some of that, being able to write the word names, and we also did addition and writing word names because I am extra. All right. So we did addition using values up to 10,000. Actually, no, more than 10,000. But I'm in the 10,000 column. You get what I'm saying, right? Tens of thousands column. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So that's there for them. And we're gonna have our grammar and writing class on Saturday. So next episode, I'll tell you how that went and what I would have done in that session. I also have my English class. My English class that's preparing for June next year. We're doing argumentatives. That class is actually now in person and not online. All right, it's in person. So I think we did a lot of work. When it comes to argumentatives, I like to be very precise and not rush. So we're working on thinking of what side to take, thinking of what is my opinion, what are my key points for me to substantiate this opinion, and that's what we're doing. We did cool topics like Netflix versus Spotify. One of my students recommended that. We did Spotify versus YouTube. We did what would I want? $1,000,000 US or 10 million TT every month. So those are some cool things that we did just to focus in class, and that's been it for the week. It's been good, and I look forward to the next one.